Hello, and welcome to the Lifetime Products channel. In this instructional video, we'll assemble a truss for a 7-foot shed by Lifetime Products. At one end of each truss gutter channel are 2 holes. Align these holes with those in the truss gutter connector, and insert 4 screws through the connector and channels. Secure each screw with a cap nut. Only finger tighten at this time. Connect the truss brace to the channel using 4 screws and cap nuts. The screws must go from the inside outward. Again, only finger tighten the nuts at this time. Now at this point, your truss should look like the one shown. And slide the rod down through the connector and truss brace. Secure with a second cap nut, but only finger tighten the nuts for that. Lay the truss flat and press down so all channels are parallel. Now, tighten all the hardware. Repeat these steps if you have more trusses. The 7-foot by 4.5 foot shed has 1 truss. The 7x7 has 2 trusses. The 7x9.5 has 3. Each 2.5 foot extension comes with 1 truss. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.